Oh, there we go. Oh, don't break on me. Don't break. Don't break. There we go. Thank you. All right. Okay. Oh man, that's a breeze. See how well I can fly this thing in this wind. Not very well. Oh man. Yeah, I feel like go get it. Thing skipped. Oh, I gotta go find it. Oh, there it is. Oh, pretty breezy. This thing might not do that well. Whoa! Oh man. Oh. Maybe I can't get it up too high. Maybe you can't fly it all. Or let's see. Okay, I'm getting the wind. Getting the wind from the north. That's pretty breezy. Pretty breezy. Might not be able to do it. Nope. Helicopter's not. There we go. There we go. Just gotta keep it pointed constantly into the wind. I don't know. There we go. Just gotta constantly keep it into the wind. Only recover so much. Let's see my landing gear. Landing gear's alright. Woo, man, it carried it. There we go. Ooh, actually. I don't know if I can bring it back to me. Oh, there we go. It don't take much to carry it. Now I've got that nose down to me and it's still not coming to me. There we go. Okay. Find a shielded area. There we go. There we go. Take a little headway. Where'd they go? There we go. Oh, 418. Oh, I just got done with the peak. Actually, these are thermals. Thermals generating right now, so everything's getting kind of. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Ooh. Up, 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 up. Oh. And, oh, can't come up. Can't come back up for that. That's what I need the pitch. What I need pitch on the blades for. Go aggressive. Yeah, this don't go aggressive enough. Man, there goes that one. Get blown away on this one. Man, I figured that thing was gonna get. Whoo! There it goes. Get the wind on the underside of that blade, and man, it just lifts that straight up in the air. Actually, it's holding pretty good. Pretty good for as strong as it is. I mean, I've got it hard nose down. Still, let's see if I can get it to drift over. No. Actually, I think my battery's gone. Yeah, if I had a helicopter that changed the pitch on the blade, it would bite into this and not even phase it one bit. But now my QS 8006, that one don't have blades. Oh yeah, I think the battery's gone. Oh, there's Boots. Oh, what's he got in his mouth? A mouse? Lizard? Probably a lizard. Maybe a snake. What you got there, Boots? No, he's got a mouse. Alright. We'll have to feed you quite as much. Or is that, what the heck is that? Oh yeah, that's a snake. Oh, that's a, what the heck? That's a long tail. I think he's got a baby squirrel. Oh. What'd you get there, Boots? Wait, a mole? You got something. Huh. Yeah, battery. That battery's gone. I'll pull it out of the grass here. Oh yeah, there it goes. Here's a rundown. There we go. That's totally gone now. Alright, change out. Put the other battery in. Find it. There it is. And let's see, something, and receive. Alright, let's see what we can do. Yeah, actually it's kind of mellowed out a bit. Well, I thought it did. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're making forward motion there. A little bit. Woo! There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, now we're going forward. Get up there by the power lines and I'll take it up in the air. Oh, I can't see it, the sun. Alright, we'll drop her down, 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 drop her down. Woo! Oh man. See what I got going on. Just lost it there. Oh man. I gotta find out where I dropped her down at here. Somewhere within this area. Don't know. Somewhere in here. Let's see. No. No, maybe we went further. Okay. Now let's see what I got here. We come down here, Dave. In the tree? Oh, not in the tree. Oh, there it is, right there. Actually, I think I'll take and fly it down here. My cleanup area. That's where I had some wrenches. I had to. There we go. Should be all right. Let me get down here. There we go. It shielded a little bit here, so. But I will be. This will be rotor area too. Which that is a downfall. Yeah, this will be most definitely a rotor area coming off of that ridge there. So that's shielded up to a certain point, and then it will once you actually, let's see, once you get up above it, actually keep it low, you're actually in the rotor area, and then jump above it, and then it will take and go into that right there is a wall that my dad ended up making. That was all done by hand. And then all the way over here, this section right here, actually where you see my Jeep there, that area used to dip down, actually a little bit further down than where I went, and then the driveway actually came around and took off and then circled up to that point. That was the original driveway. And this area where I'm standing right here, this is actually like a sloped field. It's the upper section of the road right there. The block wall at the top there, that actually turned in, and it was a sloped field all the way, this whole section all the way over to the grape arbor there. That was all a sloped field all the way over to that point. And then this area right here didn't even exist until my dad came down here with the tractor and then pushed more dirt off over the hill and then he took and made this rock wall, the rock wall from over here and over there, and then yeah, this is about right here. It was the just the driveway, and this whole section right here, it was just a sloped field, and this was the circle drive. It went all the way around, came around this way, and this, like I said, that was all just kind of a slope, like a sloped field there, and wasn't nothing there. And then it built up the rock wall there, and that's next door neighbor's spot, or oars, and all that over there, that rock wall right there, built that up. Just had pump service come out, and they took and installed put a pump inside the well for them, so that they're totally on their separate system now, and so I don't have to deal with that. We don't have to share the pump, but we do share the well still, which that'll be a lot less headache for me, which, I mean, it wasn't bad. Only time it was problems, our pump couldn't keep up. Pump at the top couldn't keep up with the pressure needed to supply both places. So, oh god, look at the flies. They were attacking my helicopter. Oh, there they go again. It must be in there. It must be in their area. There we go. It kind of mellowed out a bit. Still gotta push it forward. In fact, I got it hard all the way forward right now, and it's hardly even going forward at all. There it goes. Now it's starting to gain. Oh, there's those flies. I better watch the propeller. They're going to get cut up. Whoa, man. Got some downwind or something on that one. That was weird. Woo, there we go. It got carried there. I gotta bring that back to me here. I don't think so. I don't think I got enough juice in the battery. Bring it back to me there. Yeah. Take a little weedies in here. I'm gonna have actually the people that did the excavating, did the trench all the way down the side of the hill. I think I'm gonna have him come out and rototill this for me after I cut it down. That way I can get ready for a garden. Ow! That felt good. Now, first I knew I was out here, my face. Woo! I don't know if I'm going to be able to bring this one back to me. Well, I'm in the trees right there. Nope. So, one downside about these helicopters like this, you ain't got the pitch control on the blades, so when you got a breeze, it can't bite into it. It doesn't bite into it to take a bigger chunk to make it go forward. That's what the pitch and the blades do. These fixed pitch blades like this, they're fine if it's calm. for a little bit of a breeze, but breathing, you don't stand a chance with the helicopter. I can come forward so much, and then once it gets up to speed, it will take and go. Whoo! It takes and raises itself back up, and then it's biting too much air again. I got hard forward. Plus, I'm losing my juice, my battery is going. So, let's see. Whoop! Just ran into me. Good thing this thing's pretty gutless. I had some carbon fiber blades that might have. If this thing had power, that might have been a little bleeding there. Yeah, that's one of my projects over there. Restoration of that grape arbor, and then right on just on the downside of the Jeep, or this side of the Jeep, I got a section with a little pond, and make that into a fish pond, and then and it'll have like a little waterfall on it too. So I got a few construction projects going on here. Hopefully knock out a good portion of this weed eating around the field. It'll be the front yard and backyard and side of the hill. So much. Maybe I'll go work on that cabinet I was going to build yesterday. I'll send these videos to YouTube. Hi, how you doing? Oh, good. Beautiful day. All right. I try to sneak these videos in between my burn a tank of fuel in my weed eater, and I'll let it rest. So I get a couple videos in, and then I'll send my videos to YouTube, and while I'm sending my videos to YouTube, I'll jump back out here and burn another tank of fuel. That way I don't run my weed eater into the ground. Actually, I got a little home light looking to repair it. That way I can run two. Did you finish off your whatever? You're over there licking your chops, so you must have finished it off. So I don't have to feed you quite as much tonight, right? You're probably full, Boots. No cat food? What? Cat food? I like cat food too still. Alright.